I'm Gogi from how to do it, and today we're gonna talk about these type of locks, that is number locks we say them. And on many baggages you will see these type of locks. So what to do if you adding correct numbers, correct pin, and even though you are not able to open your baggage, because many times it happens that you can't even push this button even you have given the correct number over there. So what the scenario, what the problem, and what the solution, we're gonna let you know in this video. First of all, requesting you like the video, subscribe the channel, and hit bell icon for get more videos like this. Now many times happened with us that we add these zippers over here and change the password, and after that try to open, it's not open. After that we add the exactly number which is for this lock, and after that we try to open this, and after that we not able to open. So what we can do, we have to do a thing that is a good trick and you're gonna laugh. After that you have to hit this area, you have to hit this area, and multiple times you have to hit on this area, and after that when you push this button your locks will be open. We start thinking about that we have by mistakenly changed the pin or we forgot the pin, but not, that is not scenario. It's a reason behind is that many times when we push this and after that change the password and it stops working, then what we have to do, we have to add the password exactly, and after that even adding correct answer, correct pin, we not able to use these of locks. So in this scenario we have to hit this if your password is exactly correct. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, share with your family and friends. Don't subscribe and hit the bell icon for getting more videos like this. Be with us, keep learning how to do it.